Yeah, I got him. I see him. I got one.
Nice.
That's not a keeper though, is it?
No, sir. He's a little small.
What's the size limit on that?
15 inches. Can you grab that weight for me? Good job breaking the ice.
Yeah,
now you know how it feels.
Trigger fish.
You got him in you, huh?
Nope. Got one? Yeah. Nice. I see color. Oh, I got a red one. Oh, that's a big one.
That's a nice fish. Heck yeah.
Got one.
Heck yeah.
There.
That's a good size one for the kind.
Yep, we're getting up there. You got it still rolling?
Yeah. Got a trigger fish. It's the biggest one yet.
Alright, you ready?
Look at that rod man, dude.
You think you got something?
Yeah, I do have something. I just don't know. It might be big. Look at it. What are you doing? See him?
Oh yeah. There he is. Got another one of those triggers.
I'm trying.
Look at this over here.
Alright, give me
Yeah, he's got a big trigger over here.
Oh yeah.
Nope.
No. Take a picture of it, Cheryl. I got it. Good.
Somebody's calling you. Jeez, what's going on over here? Look at this thing. It's gotta be. Look at the rod. Real. Did you lose it? The heck, dude, this thing's dogging you. Jeez, what do you got on there? You better not lose it.
I think he hooked that thing down at Pensacola.
Oh yeah. Big freaking trigger fish. Dude, look at it. There's some try to eat it. Look at the side of it.
Yep.
Do you think
Oh yeah.
what, there's a shark just swimming over there? Oh look. Got one too? Look at this one. It's digging. No, dude, it got off. Well, at least you got yours on. Yeah. Oh, you got two. Double header over here. Pull him up.
Alright, let's get that guy in the boat. Guys in the boat.
I keep losing them. This one's fighter. Oh, look at that. Look at the colors on him. Did you see? He's like blue in the water. I think that's my first one of these guys of the day. White snapper. Feels little. That one looks cool. Oh yeah, you got one of those things too?
We're in a school of rock fishing.
Yeah. Lip fish.
Alright guys, go ahead and pull.
What happened? Did the tool go in?
Now try to push that front one down. See how hard it is? Yeah. Now push that second one down. Triggerfish.
Yeah.
I know.
Oh, jeez. Pulling. This one's pulling me. He doesn't even feel big though.
You say down?
He doesn't. But he was just pulling for a minute there. I got one of them lipstick guys.
Oh, yeah.
The nice size, probably about 4 or 5 inches bigger than this size. We like to call them band nets. Because they almost look like band nets you're playing with.
Watch out your line.